Welcome to Little Newton.
Multiplication and division, skill number 1, word problems, part 2 whole model. Angelo puts his savings into a piggy bank. The piggy bank contains some 1 peso, 5 peso, and 10 peso coins with a total value of 1,449 pesos. There are 82 pieces of 10 peso coins and 95 pieces of 5 peso coins. How many pieces of 1 peso coins are there? Let's break down the question and understand it, shall we? The piggy bank contains some 1 peso, 5 peso, and 10 peso coins with a total value of 1,449 pesos. Do we know how many 1 peso coins there are? No, we do not. But we do know that there are 82 pieces of 10 peso coins and 95 pieces of 5 peso coins. We also know that the total value of all 1 peso, 5 peso, and 10 peso coins is 1,449 pesos. How many pieces of 1 peso coins are there? The question asks us to find the number of 1 peso coins that are in the piggy bank. Alright, now that we've understood the question, let's move on to solve this word problem. Step number 2, decide an approach using decision guide. Heuristics decision guide. Could you represent the problem using a model or diagram? If yes, use the model method. Step number 3, carry out the plan. Solve the problem using our selected approach, the part to whole model. Let's solve part of the question first. There are 82 pieces of 10 peso coins and 95 pieces of 5 peso coins. Let's use a rectangle to represent the total number of all 10 peso coins. We can divide the rectangle into 82 parts and each part represents 10 pesos. Can you see that the total value of 10 peso coins is equal to 10 pesos multiplied by 82? Next, let's use another rectangle to represent the total value of 5 peso coins and divide the rectangle into 95 parts. Each part represents 5 pesos. Can you see that the total value of 5 peso coins is equal to 5 pesos multiplied by 95? Finally, let's use a third rectangle to represent the total value of 1 peso coins and divide the rectangle into an unknown number of parts. We use a question mark to represent the unknown number of 1 peso coins that we need to find. Each part represents 1 peso. The piggy bank contains some 1 peso, 5 peso, and 10 peso coins with a total value of 1,449 pesos. Let's label the sum of the 3 rectangles as 1,449 pesos using a bracket. Can you see that the value of 1 peso coins is equal to 1,449 pesos minus the value of 10 peso coins minus the value of 5 peso coins? Do you get it? Great! Let's move on to the next part. From the question, we know that there are 82 pieces of 10 peso coins and 95 pieces of 5 peso coins. The total value of 10 peso coins equals 10 pesos multiplied by 82 equals 820 pesos. The total value of 5 peso coins equals 5 pesos multiplied by 95 equals 475 pesos. Also from the question, we all know that all coins have a total value of 1,449 pesos. The total value of 1 peso coins is equal to 1,449 pesos minus 820 pesos minus 475 pesos equals 154 pesos. We know the whole and the value of 1 part. To find the number of parts, we use the whole to divide the value of 1 part. the sum of 1 peso coins is just equal to 154 pesos divided by 1 peso equals 154 pesos. Hence, there are 154 pieces of 1 peso coins. Let's move on to check our answers and ensure they are correct. From our answer, we know that there are 154 pieces of 1 peso coins. The value of the 1 peso coins equals 1 peso multiplied by 154 equals 154 pesos. We also know that the value of 10 peso coins equals 820 pesos. And the value of 5 peso coins equals 475 pesos. The total value of all the peso coins in total is equal to 154 pesos plus 820 pesos plus 475 pesos equals 1,449 pesos. This is consistent with the value given in the question. Therefore, we know our answer is correct.